If your Dyson bin won't open even after pressing the red release, don't try to force it open. In most cases, it happens because dust, hair, and debris get packed around the release latch or the bottom flap, forming a cement-like buildup. Forcing anything on the plastic bin and release mechanism can easily crack or snap parts. That's why in this video, I'll show you 2 proven methods to unstuck Dyson dustbin in no time. Let's start with the most common fix. Take a close look at the red release latch and the area where the bin connects to the cyclone. Pull the small red tab forward slightly until you see a small gap forming. That gap is your sign that the locking mechanism is starting to release. While holding the vacuum handle firmly, gently wiggle the bin while pulling it back. Take your time here and keep steady pressure. Don't yank it. Once the red arrow tab becomes visible, the bottom flap should open. Press and hold that arrow tab, then slide the bin completely off the vacuum. Once the bin is removed, you can use a dry cloth to clean the latch, the rubber seals, the bin inlet flap, and the contact area inside the cyclone. If you still can't remove the bin, the rubber seals on the bin and the vacuum are gripping too tightly. So you need to lubricate the rubber seals efficiently, but using oils like WD-40 can degrade rubber components, so better use a silicone-based spray. Apply a very small amount to the rubber seals and lightly to the contact points where the bin slides against the vacuum body. After that, take a microfiber cloth and wipe everything down, leaving just a thin, dry coating. Once you're done, you can slide the bin back into place until it fully clicks in. Now, when you press the red release button, the bin should drop smoothly and easily. To prevent your Dyson bin from getting stuck, empty the bin after every use and avoid dust, hair, and debris from building up around the latch and seals. Which trick worked for your stuck Dyson bin? Tell me in the comments below, and for another helpful cleaning guide, check out this video next.